crochet hook or crochet needle. A crochet hook is a tool consisting of a slender handle with a hook at one or both ends, which is used to pull thread or yarn through loops to create crochet stitches. Types of crochet hooks. Aluminium are available in a large range. Steel are for the smallest sizes and are often used in fine thread crochet. Wood needle. It's made from wood with large size and used with thick yarn. Crochet hook consists of different parts. The first one is a head of needle which used to pull yarn. Second one is a cylinder which is determined size of the needle. Then flat part that printed on it the size of needle. To determine the suitable hook for suitable yarn, yarn has a label which shows the recommendation of size of hooks using. The number over the picture of a single needle shows what we should use. It shows the range number of recommendation of size of hook.